How to add or remove home in the navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 11. Configure your File Explorer to better suit your needs. Here's how to hide or add the home page in the navigation pane of File Explorer on Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why remove home from File Explorer? In File Explorer, the Home section is where you go to quickly access your frequently used or recently opened files. However, some users may prefer fewer distractions or improved privacy, and there are two ways to hide this section. Two methods to remove home from File Explorer. Let's begin with the Registry Editor. To apply this change to all users, open Registry Editor and navigate to H key, Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Desktop, Namespace. Find this and simply right-click and select Delete to remove the Home section. To restore it, right-click the blank part of the right pane, select New, Key, and give it the name. To apply the change to only the current user, navigate to, double-click or create the DWORD named system.isPin to namespace tree, then change the value to 0 to remove or 1 to add. Don't forget to save changes by restarting File Explorer or rebooting your system. For our second method, we have PowerShell, which is suitable for automation, scripting, and managed environments. Open PowerShell as an administrator and run this command to hide the home page. And run this command to restore it. With these methods, you can now browse through your files with fewer distractions and improved privacy. For more information, check out our official blog post on Remove Home in the navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 11, linked in the description below.